To change oil and oil filter in Kia Ceed. This is 2022 model. Let's get started. First, you need to remove this beauty cover. Just take it up and away. Now you get access to the oil dipstick and where you can fill the oil. So remove the cap. Put it loosely, and now we go underneath the car to remove the oil. If you go underneath, here is the oil filter, and over here is the oil drain plug. So I took my 17 millimeter and it's loose, and let the oil drain and then remove the oil filter. In the filter kit you got this washer, you need to replace it. New washer. This is a very messy job because of the diesel, so we use gloves. Now we take our 17 millimeter wrench and tighten it snug and some more. This is snug, and from here that's it. Now I bought a cup for the filter, but unfortunately this is not the right size. You need a much thicker one, a longer one, I'm sorry. So in the next time I buy something else, and I put links in the description box below if you want to check it out. For the meantime, I use oil filter wrench. It's pretty tight place, but manageable. With this kind of filter, you need to remove the bottom plastic, but I managed to do it without. But like I said, in the next time, I use the right cup. So I take again my bucket, loosen it by hand. And we take the new seal, a little bit. Put it in the groove, and we take our filter and put it in the engine. And now we clean it a little bit with the brake clean. Now we take some oil, about 4.2 for this engine, 1.6 diesel. And now I check the dipstick. Wipe it clean. And we are about almost to the max. We can add a little bit more, but this is perfect, so the job is done. And of course, don't forget about this guy. You got pegs here. You need to align it. Click, click, click. So I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys like always in the next